Have you ever sat at your desk staring at bills piling up, wondering how the heck you're going to make some extra cash? Trust me, you're not alone. The internet is chock full of opportunities to make money, whether you have experience or not. The best part is you don't need to be tech savvy to jump in. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 simple ways to make money online with no experience needed. Let's get started. Freelance writing, your words, your cash. If you've got a knack for writing, freelance writing can be a fantastic way to earn without needing previous experience. So, what's the deal? Start with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Bid on jobs that interest you. Remember, even if you're a newbie, clients and companies out there are ready to hire someone fresh. Here's a little tip. Begin with topics you know or are passionate about. That's where your authenticity shines through. Virtual assistants. Be the unsung hero of businesses. Another great way to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. What do virtual assistants do? Manage emails, schedule appointments, handle social media accounts. Many small businesses or entrepreneurs look for someone to lighten their workload. And here's a secret, you don't need a fancy degree, you just need some basic organizational skills and a willingness to help. Start by leveraging sites like Zirtual or Belay. Don't overlook this opportunity. Online tutoring. Share what you know. Are you good at explaining concepts? If so, online tutoring could be your golden ticket. You can teach everything from math to music. Join platforms like Chegg Tutors or VIP Kid. Set your hours and choose your subjects. This method requires no experience other than your knowledge. Plus, you get to help others while earning. Dropshipping. Build your empire with no inventory. Eager to start an online business without substantial investment? Consider dropshipping. This model allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Here's how it works. First, set up an online store. Next, choose products from suppliers. When you get an order, you place it with the supplier who ships it directly to the customer. You find the customers, they take care of the rest. This means you don't need to worry about stocking products or shipping. You can start with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Affiliate marketing. Share and earn. Want to make cash by simply promoting products you love? Welcome to the affiliate marketing world. It's straightforward. Find products or services you love. Share them through your blog or social media. Earn a commission on every sale you get. Start with companies that have affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. The best part? You don't need to create your products, just be authentic and passionate about what you promote. Content creation showcase your personality. Feeling camera ready or love creating content? You can dive right into content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging are great ways to express yourself and make money. It's all about consistency. Pick a niche, create relatable content, monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Don't let lack of experience hold you back. Start today and let your unique voice shine. Survey sites, simple earnings. Surveys might not make you rich, but they can help make some pocket money. Many companies want your feedback, so they pay you to take surveys. Some reliable survey sites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. It's super easy, perfect for beginners, and you can do it whenever you have some downtime. Another win? You can watch Netflix while getting paid. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more ways to earn online.